We start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking at this correction and we want to get one more drop. Let's see, because we mentioned we're looking at the first wave correction and the last. And exactly this is what we get. And whoever get the trade either from this correction or from here, at least move their stop loss to break even. I think whoever get the trade from here, the best thing is take out the trade. Okay, because now we want to see if we get any reversal, we will for buy, trade setup for buy. This is what we're looking for. That's why we mentioned when the price was in this correction, we mentioned we want to get one more drop with the breakout of this low, which is 600. Then from there, if we get any reversal, we can look for buy. This is what we mentioned. And as we can see, this with the price almost break the previous low. And if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. That's why if we get any trade setup for buy right now, we're looking for. In this case, first we move to daily chart. The only thing is, based on daily chart, we're looking at this level, which is 410. We prefer to get the reversal without breaking this level. Okay, because if there is a breakout of this level, the price can drop some more. That's why if we get any reversal, because almost the price dropped to the this one, which is this correction. All right, and this is the reasons we want to see the reversal before the price break the 410. Anyway, we just follow the chart and we will see how we can look for trade. In this case, we move to forward chart, and as we can see based on forward chart, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. That's why if we get any trade setup for buy, at least similar to what we get here, this is what we're looking for. All right, in this case, based on we move to 1 hour chart, because based on forward we don't have any trade setup. And if you move to 1 hour chart, the only thing is we want to see whether we can get the, because we mentioned we need to get the reversal with the flag of correction. Okay, but what we get here, it doesn't give us any trade setup to look for buy. If we see there is a continuation with the flag of correction, then from there we can look for buy. But what I said is we are interested to look for buy if we get the trade setup. In terms of the risk and reward, it can give us good trade setup. It doesn't mean the price cannot drop. Even still, we can expect this one turn to a correction for continuation. This is a short, any sale is a short-term sell. Okay, we are not going to add in this analysis. We are looking for the long term. That's why we're looking for the reversal. And even if the price drop from here to only if with the small correction, the only way is to have entry below this. It depends on the traders, but for me, if I get any reversal from here, I will take the trade. This is what we're looking for. And having entry above here, above this correction as 586, 586 can be an option. In case the price sharply reverse from here, at least we can get the trade. Anyway, we prefer to get the trade set up rather than having entry above this, because having entry above this correction, which is 586, is really risky because the price simply can tag and drop. That's why if anyone wants to have entry above the stop, they should know at least how to manage if the price couldn't break and continue. Because as what we mentioned, we want to, in case the price sharply reverse from here, we want the price tag, break and continue. If the price tag we see is not moving, within the first or second hours we take out the trade. And even if the price reverses a corrective move, we are not going to have this entry in case the price reverse sharply. That's why it's really risky. Okay, anyway, we're looking for buy, but right now we don't have any trade set up. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.